Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best DJ controllers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Pioneer DJ Controller. Pioneer has a long history of manufacturing state-of-the-art electronic equipment. It's easily one of the industry leaders and offers a complete range of products. The Pioneer DJ Controller is the next-gen version of the highly successful DJ Controller. The original was a huge hit 2 years back when it was first launched. It was considered the top entry-level DJ controller with some professional features. The Pioneer controller has all of the qualities of its predecessor with some added professional features which bring it closer to pro level. Pioneer DJ's latest 4-channel controller for Recordbox DJ benefits from taking a number of design cues from the company's CDJ and mixer range. Features: USB-powered, extremely portable, easy to use. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Reloop Hybrid DJ Controller. This is the first hybrid DJ audio setup specifically designed for 2 different software programs, Serato DJ and J Pro. It comes with color-coded pads which can trigger sounds and performance modes, such as hot cut, slicer, loop roll and much more. It can be used with your PC or laptop, but also an Android or iOS device. The Reloop Mixin 4 high-performance channel hybrid DJ setup is a trendsetter and houses some great features. Features: powerhouse interface, loop control section with length indication, multi-platform support. Coming up next, in third place we have the Numark Mixtec Express DJ Controller. This setup is a continuation of the Numark Mixtrack Pro. It has all the features and the same high quality of the original, with an improved design and some new features to boot. The design is much more compact compared with the original version. It includes illuminated touch-activated low-profile platters and 16 backlit multi-function drum pads. If you're looking to DJ with your computer, you can't beat this controller. It is just the right DJ setup for you. Features: lightweight and compact for easy travel, outstanding durability, easy to use and compatible with Serato DJ software. Now moving to the number 4, Roland Dj Controller. A DJ controller that offers the sound of Roland's DJ Controller seminal drum machines at reasonable price is sure to cause excitement, and the Roland boasts just that in the form of a highly capable 2-channel controller, perfect for anyone wanting to infuse their sets with some live programming, Jeff Mills style. It's compatible with Serato DJ Pro and features jog wheels optimized for scratching, a 16-step sequencer and level, attack, delay and tune knobs. The drum sounds can be triggered using the sequencer or the touch pads that run along the top of the unit, and it also functions as a standalone mixer to boot. Features: built-in drum kits from Roland legendary pattern, 8 sounds in each TR kit. Compact, rugged, and lightweight design with easy grab handles for optimal portability. In the 5th position we have the Hercules DJ Starter Kit DJ Controller. This Hercules DJ Starter Kit is the first DJ audio setup specifically designed for different software programs, Serato DJ Elite. It comes with color-coded pads which can trigger sounds and performance modes, such as hot cut, slicer, loop roll and much more. It can be used with your PC or laptop, but also an Android or iOS device. Features: 2-deck DJ controller with built-in audio. Easy to carry, easy to install. Serato DJ Lite DJ software for PC or Mac included. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best DJ controllers. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.